Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing something. The lighting's horrible, hold on. I'm going to be reviewing, let me go get it first. I'm going to be reviewing this. So yeah. Monterey, family owned since 1964. There's an 8-pack of these. And 350 degrees, 29 minutes. Okay, so sorry about that. I'm gonna be reviewing these, like I said. So I'll bring you guys back when this is done. Okay, everyone, I'm back. There, better. Okay, she's with me. We're gonna try this. Do you want a little bit so we can? Okay, that works. Look at that beautiful face. Whoa, I'm not gonna stab her or nothing. I'm gonna cut this.
Dude, how you found the oven, sweetie?
I'm hoping they don't cut through the plate. Oh, it's not even cutting through the thing.
You should get those down.
I know. Well, I figured once I cut it open, it'd cool down.
Okay.
There it goes. Yeah, good idea. Alright, guys. So, I'm gonna let this cool down a minute. But that's what it looks like. On the inside, just cut it open. See? But, look at this knife camouflage. But yeah, anyway. Just cut it open. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's hot. So, you got a fork. You want to cut a piece off? Give me the fork.
I'll give the baby some.
Okay.
Cause, you know.
She's a pig.
It's been a couple hours and she ate, so I'll eat teeth. Shh.
So I get a little bit of everything in there. Okay. Want to go first?
Sure. Hot.
Good.
Hot. Wait.
Well, she likes it now. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, good.
Oh, spicy.
Spicy.
There's spice to it.
Oh, okay.
I'm expecting that. What's the matter, baby?
There's spice to it, but it's really good. Wow, really is a lot of spice. Okay, so. Sorry about the lighting being so bad. I know it's not the best, but these are good. I don't recommend putting them in the microwave because we didn't do that. We put them in the oven. I apologize for the baby in the background, but I'm gonna get off here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment on this video. If you tried these, let me know. I mean, they're really good, I think. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and goodbye.